a sombrous hue. The clouds covered your line. Will the clouds ever depart from this land, or will I write your name in sand? Betrayed by the thoughts in my head, you linger like a flower scent. From sun to endless ocean, I never thought that sunlight could drown me.